In this video, we're going to install StaffMap on Windows Server 2012. There are some installation requirements for StaffMap, being .NET Framework 4.5, Microsoft Internet Information Services, and some additional Windows components. From your Server Manager, go to Manage, Add Roles and Features. Select Next, Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation. Select your server, and then scroll down and from Server Roles, select Web Server. Click Next to go through features. The roles that we need to select are from Common HTTP features, Default Document, HTTP Errors, and Static Content. For performance, we want Static Content Compression. From security, we want request filtering, and a Windows authentication if you're going to use that. From application development, we want .NET Extensibility 3.5 and 4.5. Application initialization, ASP, ASP.NET 3.5 and 4.5, and the IS API extensions. And for management tools, just make sure IIS Management Console is selected. And click Next to install. After a couple of minutes, the Windows feature should be installed, and you can then run the StaffMap installer.